Hey, it's me, Shaker, with Stage Alpha Garage, and we're back with the 240SX. And as you can tell, winter has started to show its ugly head. We've got snow all over the car. But that's not what we're here for today. What we're here for today is to finish putting the exhaust on the 240 finally, using the ISR 240SX catalytic converter. And this will be the first time that the exhaust has been fully hooked up because we've been missing that one pipe. The only reason I'm really showing you this video of installing this piece is because there were some nests that were made in the exhaust pipe. I don't know if you can see it in there. But I just want to show you guys how much stuff comes blowing out of here. So I'll set you up on the ground here and we'll get the pipe installed and then we'll start the car and see what shoots out. This is what we're working with. No idea what it is. It's just a cheap no-name pipe. Let's come all the way up here. And right here it's Bluetooth, so we gotta connect that with a network cable. Network cable being the ISR catalytic converter. Let's get that installed.
Huh. I know what they want. 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 Right. Right. Right.
There we are. The new pipe is installed. That should give you a good view of all the crap that's in there coming out. If you don't blow over, that is. Exhaust is hooked up. It sounds much better, but we'll still get a new cat back anyway that sounds maybe a little more mild down. I don't know. We'll see where this goes. I don't even know if this one will pass inspection. We have it. The exhaust is connected fully. It's working. Smoke is coming out. Still gonna do a few things, tuning, timing, all that fun stuff. But that's one more part done. One more step in being closer to being done. One more step in the end goal.